Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to pack your emoticon name on Facebook without VPN. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Facebook and go to settings, and now edit your name here and delete the first name and last name. And after that you will get this emoticon on video description below. So from here you have to copy emoticon you want to use on your profile. So I'm going to copy this one and I'm going to pasting it here, and I'm deleting last 2 digits from this list. And now I'm clicking on review change and I'm selecting the last one, and I'm giving my Facebook password here. Then click on save changes. And now if I go to my Facebook profile, and here you can see I have successfully emoticon name. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.